welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my videos so y'all will know when I post. Click that post notification bell. So today's video is going to be talking about my Graves' disease, my hypothyroidism, and the radioactive iodine treatment that I had. So we're just going to start off with what is Graves' disease. And if you see me looking down, I got notes because your girl is not that good at remembering stuff to say, so why not read it off my paper? So we're going to start off, what is Graves' disease? Graves' disease is an immune system disorder that results in the overactive of the production of the thyroid gland. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. The thyroid gland is a gland that's up in your neck. It looked like a little butterfly, and just like up in this area. So yeah, now we're gonna start with how I found out. So February 2011, I had my first child. After that pregnancy, I still had my little baby weight on me for a little bit. And when I tell you that weight dropped drastically, like it dropped like drastically to the point where my daddy was like, you need to go to the doctor, get some blood work done to see, well, how you losing this weight like this. So that's what I did. So December 2011, I went to the doctor and got my blood work done. That's when it came back with hyperthyroidism. So yeah, that's what happened. So I ended up getting an endocrinologist and stuff and trying to get my levels together. Basically, hyperthyroidism is having an overactive thyroid gland that produces too much at one time, basically. So yeah, your thyroid controls a lot of things in your body, like your heat and cold tolerance, increase appetite, thinning hair. You can lose weight easily, gain weight easily, be real sensitive, be real irritable, mood swings, nervousness, anxiety, panic attacks, insomnia, irregular periods, longer or shorter periods, it depends. Muscle weakness, bulging eyes. So if you experience any of these just on a regular, you might want to go to the doctor and have them check your levels, your THS levels, because the majority of those signs are signs of hypothyroidism, and many women don't know because women get thyroid disorders more than men, and basically they get them, well, you can get it after pregnancy, or it could be hereditary, or it's a lot of stuff that could bring on hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. So once I found out I had an overactive thyroid, me and my doctor, we sat in there and we talked about it, and we talked about what goes on in your body when your thyroid gland is overactive. So he came up with the treatment. A lot of people used to get like surgery cut to get their thyroid gland removed, but they really don't do that no more. So I had the radioactive iodine treatment, and that's where I took this little radioactive pill. Like I had to go in this big old room, and they had like the radioactive stickers like all over the wall. They gave me this little jar, a little pill, and some water, and I had to take that and wait for a couple minutes, and I was able to come back home. Now after I took the pill, I wasn't able to be around. I had to like isolate myself for like 3 to 5 days, I believe. Like I had to eat off like plastic utensils. Like going to the bathroom, you gotta flush the toilet like 3 times because your body is radioactive, and that's why I had to isolate myself, because it's not good for other people who don't need radioactive energy around them or for them and stuff like that. So yeah, I had to go take this pill and stay isolated. It was cool. But I'm ready to get back to my son, because yeah, don't stay away from him long. Now, how the radioactive iodine pill really works, it actually shrinks your thyroid gland basically kills it, as they say. So it don't really work anymore. So that will send your body into hypothyroidism, meaning that your body doesn't make enough. So your body goes from making too much to not making enough. Let me go to my notes. Yeah, so after they did that, they check your levels and see what dosage of medicine they need to put you on. And I could say, when you first start off, you might have to switch doses because as your levels change, your dosage will change. So now I have to take a synthetic pill for the rest of my life. My medicine is called levothyroxine. And yeah, you gotta take that for the rest of your life, because if you don't, a whole bunch of stuff could end up happening leading up to cardiac arrest. So yeah, diagnosed in basically 2012, it's 2021 now. My levels are good. I just had a doctor's appointment not too long ago, but they're good. I've been on the same dosage for a while now, so it's steady, because one time it was, yeah, so like other things that cause, other symptoms that I had, was the anxiety, the panic attacks. I had the trembles, like my hand could not stay still, like it was bad. Thin, brittle hair, like it was crazy. But I'm just glad that I'm at a copacetic space now, and now I can help others who may not know that they have hyperthyroidism or thyroid disorder. That's why if you have any of those things on the list that I named, you might want to go to the doctor and get checked, because it's always, and it's a silent disease, what they call it, invisible disease, because you really can't see unless it, yeah, if you have anything that's on that list that I named, go to the doctor. I'm here to tell you, because you need to take care of your body. You only have one. You only get take care of your body. Thank y'all for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back at you with more.